Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and if you're looking to spice up your brunch, hey, I have the perfect recipe. It's this delicious Chipotle Hollandaise sauce. And it's really easy to make because you can just do it straight in a blender. One piece of equipment, a few ingredients, and boom, you're good to go. So let's get to making it. First, start off with a couple eggs. You're just going to use the yolks, not the whites. Add them to your food processor or a blender. Then add in your chipotle pepper. By the way, a chipotle pepper is just a jalapeno pepper that's been fire roasted. And we're also gonna add a little bit of the adobo sauce that's super spicy and tasty. Add in a little bit of salt, and now we need some fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and slice that lemon, squeeze out some of the juice, add the lemon juice in. You can use lemon juice from the bottle, but honestly, in a hollandaise sauce, because it's such a simple recipe, I love the fresh stuff. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna puree that while we add the butter at the same time. It's really important because what you're doing is you're emulsifying these ingredients. So you want to slowly add that melted butter to the ingredients while they're being pureed. So the reason that you're adding the melted butter in slowly is because if you add it in quickly, you're gonna get scrambled eggs from the egg yolks. And that's the last thing that you want in this recipe. So add the butter in slowly while you're pureeing it. And then once all the butter is done, you're good to go. This hollandaise sauce is wonderful over almost anything. I make a great cornbread Benedict that I think you will love with it, but it would be wonderful over asparagus. Honestly, I could just swim in it, it's that tasty. So I hope you'll like this recipe. Honestly, it goes with so many things. If you haven't watched one of my videos before and this is your first time, please subscribe. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. And hey, if you have a cooking question or just want to chat, drop me a comment, and I'll see you next time.